We're in the South Hall, day one CES.
Oh yeah, we already see Green. I see Aki. So we're gonna walk around and we'll show you all the cool shit. We're in the Keychron booth. Amelia
Hey
is not a
guys.
techie, but she's using this low profile keyboard.
Hey guys, my name is Amelia. This is the K3 Max. So just to let you guys know, this is a 75% slim wireless mechanical keyboard. Let me give you a little ASMR if you can get a little closer.
What I'm interested in is this numpad because I use a TKL keyboard. So this would be useful because right now I have a wired one, and this one has some macro keys too and a knob. That's sick. At the Green NAS booth, what do you think NAS stands for? NAS.
Not always saucy.
Network attached storage. So you can have like 6 hard drives in there, and then over the network you can connect to it from your computer for storage.
Stickers.
So the new Green AI NAS is pretty cool because you can just be like, give me all my cat pics, and it'll go on your NAS and find all your cat pics. Crazy. And we're at the Aki booth now, and Amelia is going to shoot a basketball and see if she can win something. Is that right?
Yes.
What happened? You only made 1 shot?
Only made 2 shots.
Oh, you made 2?
I got a charger, which I always need, and I got a bag.
As we walk out of the South Hall at the Las Vegas Convention Center for the Consumer Electronics Show, day 1 on Tuesday, what stood out to you the most?
I really liked our most recent booth where they had AI like stroke recovery software. What about you?
Yeah, that was pretty cool. That was the Korean students showing off their projects. Honestly, I'd have to look in the box to see what it was, and I'll look in a sec because they have a Kickstarter coming up. But it was this little AI box running an ARM chip, and you could run 120B models on it, and it was low-key fast as fuck.
FAF.